Hello guys, here we have the new soundbar S95Q from LG. We're gonna do the sound checking test because we have done the unboxing and the teardown of the soundbar. As we can see, there is a display in front. We're connecting with eARC on a Samsung OLED television, the new one, the S95B. Okay, we have the subwoofer connected, wireless ones, 6-inch driver that fires on the side. There is a port in front low, 6-inch driver, which is located a bit shifted, not in the center, on the cabinet. Then on the back we have these surround speakers, which are 201. That means they have an Atmos on the top and two drivers here on the side. And this is the other one, the same configuration, Atmos on the top and two surrounds on these sides. So it's as we said, 9.1.4 surround Dolby Atmos soundbar. For the recording you are using this microphone, which is stereo. Okay, we cannot record surround Dolby Atmos soundtrack here, but we're gonna take a taste, a flavor of how the new LG soundbar, the flagship, it performs by using this microphone, which goes in this box here from Steinberg, Yamaha company, and then goes to the laptop for the recording. Content for the Pioneer Blu-ray player here, 4K Pioneer Blu-ray player, and some from USB drivers that we have, and from the network. Before we start, let's have a look on the app, LG Soundbar app. So we have here all the modes, which is LG Meridian, AI Sound Pro, Standard, Music from Meridian. Then we have Cinema, Clear Voice, Game, Sports, and Bass Blast says. So this is the app. We can do here the calibration because this soundbar has AI calibration system. Here is the function. We can select here the inputs, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. We can stream content. It's AirPlay, Chromecast, Cast, USB, and the others. Then we have the room calibration here. Room calibration, as you can see, if we run this procedure here, we're gonna hear some noises around. Starting like this from the soundbar. This room calibrated. Let's check the speakers. So everything is connected, as you see. Main unit, it's here. Then subwoofer is here. And then the surround channels speakers are here.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. The soundscape sets the mood of the scene.
Your vehicle inside the room.
Whoa! What is this place? Oh! Come on, you guys, let's go!
that's all. That was the presentation of the new LG